Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the location of any Facebook account. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is of course find the account you want to find the location for. You can search one by using the magnifying glass and then simply clicking on the account you want to find the location of. So for example, I want to find the location of this account. Then what you literally need to do is go to posts and then here at details, you can simply click on see Luna's about info, or of course, if you're trying to find someone else's information, then it will most likely say an older name. And then you have a lot of information here about the account, but also places they lived and where they are living right now. So we can see that this person was previously living in Yakima, Washington, but right now she is living in Holston, Alaska, because the current city says under it, as you guys can see, current city, meaning that this person is currently living in Houston, Alaska. So that's how you can literally find any location of any Facebook account. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.